Akwaba and found Ghana and Sam TVGH so what frame Adwa searching.
And Ghana Nina Sanka by this time. What you say? Like, I say hi, they are now calling me for money. Don't mind them all. And Ghana Nina by this maybe says okay, me pe mahama sempa. Me pe NDC asem. NDC catch them says me be dio me china me to abama mo eduane bo beba fom. Oko ready budget no. Ye ni line ba ko kra kire say eduane bo beba fom 1 peso po. Entina eto na me koto ma no sebio emfaso abaso amame ana. Ebio ye de abufuo akoto nkwase aba. 2. Eya mo amoye shipping edeko shipping edeba. Atem ba ko esan da ho ne se se modin ba ekufo ado ne na aban ama shipping cost na akosoro dodo. Enti se nyame ya adom na se modin ba ye be ma mo shipping no cost no aba form. Ye de rade ase nyame ya adom mahama aba. Mahama ba ya okweko reading the budget no. There is not a single line. Okay, say import duties are going to even be reduced. Not a single line, not one line. The asunti ayokoto abadeba NDC ne say ekufuado wo no shipping cost no too much. Enti osaje for John Mahama brana beje. John Mahama ba ye na fei omra meje yen o se the way ya wo bo akwasiampa bra emfiri ni tirimu no wo de sa akwasiampa bra na asai baby di second don into akokasa the finance minister akokasa. Now, so there is no one line in the budget. Ekacho say what the import duty so the question still comes again. Mo America and the Kufuado port ni port ni kumpacho and the port ni ateswama wana. He didn't even mention it in his budget. And kahumpo. Utie and ka NDC ni dajuni humpo. Etimo muna sabi mutie brochile. Na sabi moka. Use car be a modiku contino. Mama mweni eko bre president yoteswa na Ocean College School, Osia hospitals, Osia kwine, Osia sie yamai, Osia yamai, moko mujina ho, ema mukwo fu eko to abeti oma. Ene o container no kwa wi ni free. Won so already budget one fam we brochire for kran kan. Already budget e brochire for kran mon kan ho. Nanso obi a wo pe no kure bia kwana koche MPP for your budget ya anytime bia we think about the people from the diaspora. Utie we think about the people from the diaspora. Ye buy and ye say yanye Ghana card. Adenti na Ghana card ho benya. Enne kwesi apia me ko Ghana. Enya afei e na me kwa akoye visa. Na me kwa kotua $270 just to get a Ghana visa. And then me ko Ghana me Ghana card and me ko Ghana free bonto. Systems et save sad 270 nanka olontoyo udi kotua e dia koma sebe visa force yenja sa wankasa ukrom wakono e na Ghana card nti e save sa uti e brochire e support party a o se yenhye ye ma Wellington boot no mo sebe ye mo mabobo ya ne yemfa politank nsim uti e brochire e support sa because of bitterness and selfishness won ko awu force na wo de kono yemfa force no ma na ko yin free. What's Canada dia ubetua tax? What's America dia ubetua tax bi akase tua one kasa wo man Ghana tua tax yese ni efensies your mind na wo bo utu brezi yesi yo wonte hwe ena jimisam ena bebreti kromu ha ena yedie ena tamu saka dia mo hwe. Your name was not even mentioned in the budget. Ship no yamfa po ama na dia won wo mu ni say mo shippers board a guy no mo here chele awo chele mama we me ya pa TikTok for ya na me ya mamo TikTok for ya na me ya mamo pa ya na pese be dia be chele mo am where you know mo am wo YouTube ne you know mo jade share the page why I'm going to share a screen with you. Well Ghana shippers board guy Professor Jampo utie Professor Jampo tina ho edi na do no mo aban atem Eke can some inciting Crawford against no, and they don't go to national press board, massage award ye. Will be a Professor Jampune down no. Or Jim massage. Why is it funu? These were the people that were peddling falsehood. Say, Sabi on Prebiasa, Nana Kufuado, Gary will play mu. President Tibia, ya didn't call presidential villa. It was a free play no more. Ya man is yes, no and son wako. Ghana near quadrati bonkuso. Jimmy Samuel Bataya Kuma Huntino. Yet now, am I yet or idea be saying to say, hey, I'm Bo, aeroplane, a Gary room. Aeroplane, I wouldn't remember there could be turbulence anytime. There can be turbulence anytime. Ajina bonne. Any pencil so your bonity, you do not toy man to Ghana and need Bawako school. I call SS3 Muse, a Kufadu carry with him. And that be a show on no the president to crowd. And the Yemi and Sano. That I say. Professor Jampo, what two was an warrior in Nano, or Pecha, we say no, or Kitcheno Juana, at Tretrena, will be back. We will be back. What Jim in now, Professor Jampo, Jim, she press board, the Fanning Coding. I'm a cranam, a catch Mahama. So a person and a man won't go ye, our shepherds, and you are there. One for coming and Cobo, on our quality, the Professor Jampo, we no yenimune say. Acquire near what the same Crawford, the Omaba, and Crawford Mare Prepla. I could crop of Viagra. Miss Subayo, the Tegana, Wano. Why I know who's a wood yini, and what done and who can near Kaba. And we a student or burial, woman or burial, or continue UTV on Kenyans and some of our couple. Abu Abi say, and net, you see, I did not continue Shepherd's Day, Shepherd's board or so. And then the and no me, no. But wo dear kakra, wo broche, dear kakra nanka, wo chicho, dear kakra nanka, wo chicho say, o shipping cost back off from. O shipping cost back off from Neja, also shipping business here to you know. John Mahama Koka in the budget. Your name was not even in it. What does it say? What Junin and and it's a fact. Shippers board for and penny for some go to me for some Mahama say, young shippers for ya bre, it move for Bibi Shemumayan, budget move for Bibi Shemayano. What not chair Muse, chair and massagino. Life is good. Being in government is good. And then Professor Jampo, aka, hey, I like your backside, though. AKA, can I press? Mr. Presidina Paul Bebitina. Mr. Sober passing a class, I just a wakoto. And then you kind of budget when to me and fight, one thing, I'm found my shippers. What you able say, we are shipping a Juma. Ya dada mu say ama mako di akira koton kwase aba ene ya the budget ba ya mudini oka sorry na sabe ti bonko sufuo bi a wo mo de obi nim de o mo adi obi nim de ya miegu ya hwenim asem na da wo na wo de no kra kan kra no still they want to challenge you but that is a fact. But me say me hey Ghana cannot develop with this type of citizens mentality. Because we have citizens what they are the papa Brian Crano oh who Utia Bruchri and a Ghana cried they woke a win ambulance. Ghana cried they woke a win ambulance. Ghana cried they woke a win ambulance. Nenya me adawrumo nyame na dawruma aban biaba or see a who here, Mr. Dako, welcome. It's Yanya Day, Yankra ambulance and family.